Hello guys, Steven Dexter, million-dollar trader and semi-StarCraft 2 pro players here. And for you guys who don't know me, you can find out my trades in my website, and I post my account statements pretty much everywhere on social media. So in today's topic, we're going to talk about the 3 habits that you need to become a consistent profitable trader. So let's get into the video. In the beginning, my trading is not structured and consistent, and I see a lot of new traders coming into the market with the same issue. It wasn't until I traded for about 7 years that I had gradually shaped my habits and daily routine into the most consistent and most beneficial in trading. Okay, there's going to be 3 habits that you need to become a consistent profitable trader. So the first habit you need is you have to wake up anywhere between 8 to 8:30 a.m. because the market opens at 9:30. That's number 1. So you have to become a morning person, get up and borrowing shares, and to see and prepare what you need to do and to see what type of pattern that fits in different tickers. Do your preparations. Takes about anywhere between 20 to 30 minutes whenever you are started trading, but for now it takes about maybe 5 minutes the most. So after your preparations, you either decide you want to go long or go short. And one of the most important thing is once you either borrow shares or you made your plan, try not to take an entry right after market open, because normally the first 5 minutes after market open, it is very dangerous to pick an entry, and also you'll always likely to get trapped in the first, I would say, 15 minutes after market open. So personally for me, I do anywhere between 10:30 to 11:30 a.m. to pick the best entry. I think that's where all the adrenaline of newbie traders finishes their buying and selling, and that's where the pattern will slowly to appear, and you can take your entry and make your profit from there. Now the second point is a specific routine. So I had a really bad habit when I was a beginner, is whenever I wake up, I'm mainly a short setter, right? So I do about 8 times shorting out of 10 times I'm trading. So I wake up early and I borrow my shares, and I couldn't stop myself shorting in the pre-market. Now that's one of the biggest problems that I had when I was a beginner. So what I did is have to force myself borrow my shares, and then I'll go for a run or play a video games to skip that time in the pre-market so I can focus after market open. Whatever method works for you, you have to recognize your problem, especially that do not try to enter too early, not enter too late, by having that rush of trading before 9:30. Different people have different method, but find a method that works for you so you can stop over trading before the market even opens. So the last habit, it sounds that it's not that important, but I think it plays one of the major factors if you want to stay fresh-minded and wake up early and to be able to do your work, is to find some type of hobby outside of trading. Because trading, you are looking at virtual stuff. It's all numbers, it's all charts, and you sometimes, to get out of that mind and to get out of that stock market zone, you have to find something to do. Either go for a run or have some sports and play video games. Once you switch the different thinking process, you will feel actually much better, especially whenever you take a huge loss. And that's where you need to stop and think, what did I do wrong? Not getting stuck in that type of emotion is, how do I make my money back? So that's one of the very important factors that I have encountered in the course of my trading career. So those are the 3 habits that you need to become a consistent profitable trader. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below, and make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.